It's Kayye again from Rave Pubs, and we're wandering around Hall 7, and I happen to see Dean standing, and we are standing here in the Rane booth, and hopefully the show's been going well for you. Dean is the Director of Worldwide Sales for Rane.
No, it's been going very well. I've been a big proponent of the ISE show since it started. It really has made sense to have a European-centric show for this market rather than shows that touch on the install market. This one is completely dedicated towards it.
And how long is Rane, well, let me ask you, back up and ask you a question. In the European distribution, how do you distribute your products in each country? Do you go direct to dealers or do you use distributors?
We use distributors in each market. We found that's an efficient way to have local support available, local language support, and readily available products.
And how long have you been distributing your products in Europe?
We've been distributing in Europe. The company is 32 years old. We've been distributing in Europe ourselves for about 20 years. Prior to that, we had a master distributor that did our worldwide distribution.
And so for 2013, as you move into, you got a lot of new product technology, and if you want to see the videos we shot here in the Rane booth, all you got to do is go up to the search box above and type in R-A-N-E. That's all you got to type in, R-A-N-E, and you'll be able to see those videos. You got a lot of new technology, a lot of new direction that you've been moving over the last few years. I mean, obviously audio has moved from an analog domain to a digital domain, especially with control and what you can manipulate now. Sort of what's your vision for 2013 here in EMEA?
What we've been working on is a direction to make it, use technology to make it easier to use products rather than to just add features. I think for a long time, as we've shifted into digital, one box can do so many more things than it used to be able to do, but sometimes it's cumbersome or awkward or time consuming to get there. So we've tried to make the software more automated, make it easier so you spend less time trying to configure something and more time interacting with your customers.
One of the neat things that you guys have is when you're doing large system applications where you're duplicating the same system over and over again, you have the ability to pre-configure all the systems and actually load the settings to be the same in every single system to cut down setup and integration time. And I think that's a huge benefit for everybody.
Yeah, that kind of ability and the ability to basically do virtual wiring inside the box instead of having to, if you want to do a multi-zone system that's got 20 zones, instead of having to drop in a selector switch for each zone and duplicate the wiring to every selector switch, we have a distributed program bus. You wire to the program bus, those sources are automatically available on every zone output. So you save a lot of configuration time as doing those kinds of things as well.
So you change zones on the fly as well, so if you need to make a change at the last minute, you can do that. How about in the future? Looking forward 3 years from now, if I were standing here talking to you at ISE, where do you see Rane? What's different about Rane 3 years from today than today?
Well, just more automation, continuing to make things easier and more intuitive to operate so that you don't have to go to school for a week or even days to learn how to use something. You should be able to open the software up and have the operation be very intuitive.
And InfoComm has always been a big show for you, and I assume that ISE, with the size and scope of the attendees here, has probably grown in importance over the last few years.
It has, and this is the most important show in Europe for us for our install market. Just as InfoComm in the U.S. is our most important show there for the install market. And the install market is is really the basis for everything that we do.
Any sort of hints you want to give us on a new generation of product coming at InfoComm?
Just more evolution of our HAL DSP platform.
Yeah. Well, the HAL DSP has obviously become an industry icon, kind of standard known product, and very popular, and it's got great support within the integrator community. So I congratulate you on the work that you've done there, and congratulate your marketing team, because you guys have some, your marketing creativity's gotten so much better in the last few years. Then it's hard to market in little black boxes and make them interesting. I know that myself, having been at Extron for 10 years, how hard it is to market little gray boxes and make those interesting. So you guys do a phenomenal job there. I love your products. I love the technology behind the products, and I congratulate congratulate you on not only a good 2013 here at ISE, but also for what you guys have accomplished over the last few years. So thanks
Thank you. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. Appreciate it.
No, I appreciate the opportunity. I know you're busy here at the show. We're in day 3 here in Amsterdam at the ISE show and Integrated Systems Europe show, and the show's going to be here through 2019 here in Amsterdam, which is, I don't know if you knew that or not. They signed a contract through 2019.
In the daily.
Yeah, that's going to be a good thing. So again, if you want to see the videos that we shot here in the Rane stand, then all you got to do is go up to the search box and type RANE, and you'll see those. And I appreciate your watching today.